Files suddenly renamed with error extension and you can't open them? This is a serious sign of stop Djvu ransomware infection requiring immediate action. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through recovering files encrypted by this ransomware variant. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized error file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. An error file is a user's personal file, e.g. size, a document, or photo, that has been encrypted and renamed by a variant of the stop/Djvu ransomware. Users discover these files after a malware attack, finding they are unable to access their data. The extension signifies that the file is being held hostage for a ransom. The file retains its original binary data but is scrambled using a strong encryption algorithm like AES or Salsa20. The ransomware appends the error extension and typically drops a ransom note. The design's sole purpose is to make the data inaccessible without the unique decryption key held by the attacker. It is standard practice to open the error format using the designated stop Djvu ransomware by unknown cybercriminals. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows may show the file name, but the content remains inaccessible without proper keys or software. The first action is to find a compatible app. Right-click your error file and click Open With. Test stop Djvu ransomware if available. If it is unavailable, choose another program. We need to find the specific decoder. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your error problem. First, using Emsisoft Decryptor. Download the official Emsisoft Decryptor for stop/Djvu from the Emsisoft website. Run the tool which attempts decryption using known offline keys. If your files were encrypted with an offline key, the decryptor recovers them without paying any ransom to the criminals. Next, restoring from backups. Check all backup sources including external drives, cloud storage, Windows, file history, and system restore points. Restoring from clean backups is the most reliable recovery method. Ensure the ransomware is fully removed before restoring files to prevent re-encryption of recovered data. Finally, removing the ransomware, run Malwarebytes or another reputable anti-malware tool to fully remove the stop/Djvu infection from your system. Boot into safe mode if necessary, and perform a thorough scan. Never pay the ransom, as this funds criminal operations and provides no guarantee of file recovery. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.